Seth Extreme Fishing here. Well, today we're going to be perch fishing or bream fishing with a Z-Man grub and using some S factor, casting it out, letting it sink to the bottom, and then yeah, hopefully I can get a good fish out of here. Just in the middle. Got my good dire well reel back, pretty happy with it. Just let it sink to the bottom. And yeah, put that back, and just cast on there, beautiful cast, and yeah, hopefully we can pull out a good fish. Yep, on, yep, good, yep, that's good, yep. It's a perch. It's a nice sized perch, I reckon. Yep. Hope I'm recording there. I think it's just the second cast. Oh, I think it's a perch. No, it's a bream actually. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Can't lose him. Can't lose him. Yeah, that's good. It's not the biggest, but he's alright actually. He's alright. Just taking it easy. He's alright. Oh, he's alright. Yep. Ah, come on boy, come on. Yeah, pretty happy with this. Yeah, that's a good, oh, it's a bream. Thought it was a perch. I'm an idiot. Oh, Jesus. He's demolished that. Oi. Yeah, calm down, mate. Oh, that's a, oh my gosh, that's unbelievable how big that is. Holy moly, that's easily, oh, come on. Oh my gosh, that is mental. How big is he? He's second cast on the Z-Man grub. He is 35 centimeters. Good eating size. If I was in a competition, I reckon I would gone pretty good. It's good eating size, but I reckon I want to chuck him back. And hopefully I got that footage pretty good. And yeah, there he's there. Nice bream. I'm gonna take some photos and then yeah, actually, yeah, might as well take some photos. And yeah, it's pretty actually, yeah. Actually no, I don't take no photos with stuff. Yeah, it's a bloody good bream. Just on the snag there, and yeah, thought it was a perch for a second, but it turned out to be a bream. Released a beautiful bream. I was thinking of keeping today, but I don't know. Yeah, might as well. There you go, good boy. Thanks for that. Thanks for the fight, mate. You didn't really fight that much, but thank you really much. Yeah, thanks, mate. Thanks for the fight. Well, it's about 11:30 now, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this video so far. Give us a subscribe. Put the subscribe button on, and yeah, I'll see you later. That's perfect. Bream will be sitting under that for sure. I can just on there, beautiful. If I can get a good one. Oh, we got the snag. Come up to it, fast into it, I reckon. Not like that. Cast like that, like that. That's the one. Fish is jumped. Has to be one around here somewhere. Yep, got a hit. Come on, come back to it. Come back to it. Come on. Oh, come back to it. Yep, on. Yes. That's good. Just a small one. Just a small one. Yeah, it's good. Told you there'd be one sitting down there. He came back to it a couple of times because it's a soft plastic. If it was a lure, you wouldn't be coming back to it, but I reckon I'll bloody get out of the road. Leave this going. Oh no. Get pressure on that. Oh, it's a good size. Yeah. Beautiful size actually. Oh my gosh, just hooked him. Oh my gosh, just hooked him. Oh, there he goes. Yep, that was a good release. Good release, guys. Beautiful release. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. It was only about like 25 centimeters, wasn't that big, but still pretty good. Alright, see you later, guys. Massive bream, just hooked onto it, and Shadow was recording when I casted it, but yep, that's a good bream. That's a good bream. That's a good bream. That is a good bream. Holy moly, that is a good bream. That is a good bream. Hopefully I don't lose it. That was like the biggest one. I don't know if that was a big one, but oh no! Come back, come back. Don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it. Oh my gosh. Nah, it doesn't. Oh, splashed everywhere. I need a net. Yes, finally. Just get out of this place. Just hooked onto it. Nice. Getting hooked. Oh. Demolish that. But yeah. Lucky you got the pliers going. Oh, I didn't really demolish that actually. I only lost him. There. Just before I leave, before I just going to leave, hooked on this, just a little good cast. Hooked onto him. See you, little fella. Hey mate. There he's there. I reckon he's about 30. Exactly on 30. No, it's a bream. I reckon it's a good eating bream, but gotta release him. Oh, oh, Jesus. Alright, vaccine, I'm gonna go over there. Oh, that one.